These are the unbanked small traders of Bangladesh who can't scale up their businesses due to lack of finances, numbering over 8 million financial outcasts without access to banking service and credit. Without banking credit history, most banks see them as high-risk traders and deny them loans. In turn, they are left out of the formal economy. To fill this financial gap, they borrow money from loan sharks and get trapped in a vicious cycle of debt. They may not have a credit history, but we found that culturally, as per Bengali business tradition of over 1,000 years, they have a daily business transaction history recorded through bookkeeping called the Tali Khata. Traditionally, a new Tali Khata is opened every Bengali New Year. What if we break the policy by turning the Tali Khata into a replacement for banking credit history? BRAC Bank presents Tali Loan Druti, a small business loan based on bookkeeping history and not credit history.
তারা কিন্তু একটা ছোট টালি খাতা এখানেই তাদের হিসাবটা রাখে এবং এই হিসাবটা দেখে আমরা একটা ফাইনান্সিয়াল রেকর্ড তৈরি করি এবং ওই টালি খাতাটা অ্যাসেস করে আমরা লোনটা দেই।
At first, BRAC Bank's field officers went to small traders, verified their Tali Khata records, and used the records to create a credit history for the banking system. Then they assisted the small traders with opening bank accounts and filling up loan applications. Loans were approved within 72 hours. Tali Loan Druti created a new path for financial inclusion, reduced inequality, broke down cycles of debt, and helped these businesses prosper. Now small traders could finally contribute to the nation's economy. Tali Loan Druti by BRAC Bank.